children, let's start with exercise 1.6. Question 1. Find three rational numbers between 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. So here, as you can see, the denominator is same. So here you can multiply with any fraction. You can multiply with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 10 by 10, etc. So let's do it. Minus 3 by 7 into 5 by 5 is equal to minus 15 by 35. Minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 5 is equal to minus 10 upon 35. So in question you have to find any three rational numbers. So here you got minus 11 by 35, minus 12 by 35, minus 13 by 35. Question 2. Find four rational number between 3 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. So here also, as we done in question number 1, same like that you have to do here. You can multiply with any fraction. So let's do it. Minus 3 by 5 into 7 by 7 is equal to minus 21 by 35. Minus 2 by 5 into 7 by 7 is equal to minus 14 upon 35. Here you have to find four rational numbers. So you got minus 15 by 35, minus 16 by 35, minus 17 by 35, minus 18 by 35. So the four rational numbers are minus 15 by 35, 16 by 35, 17 by 35 and 18 by 35. At last you have to write the statement. Question number 3. Find three rational numbers between 0 and 1. So here you can see here the denominator is not given. So here you can multiply with any fraction 2 by 3, 4 by 5, etc. So let's do it. 0 into 7 by 5 is equal to 0 by 5 and 1 into 7 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5. So here you have to find any three rational numbers between these both fractions. So you got it, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. So at last you have to write the statement. The three rational numbers are 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. Question number 4. Find three rational numbers between these all. So the first question is 2 by 3 and 3. So just see children, here you can see here denominator is 3 and here denominator is 1. So here first, before denominator was same, so you could multiply with any number, but here first you have to equal the denominator and then you have to get the answer. So let's do it. Here 3 and here 1. So this 1 you have to multiply with 2 by 3 and this 3 you have to multiply with 3 by 1. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 1 is equal to 2 by 3. 3 by 1 into 3 by 3 is equal to 9 by 3. So the three rational numbers between these both are 3 by 3, 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. Question 2. Minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Here you can see that so same denominator are not equal. So first you have to equal this both denominator. So let's do it. This 2 you have to multiply with this fraction 1 minus 1 by 3 and this 3 you have to multiply with this 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 6 and 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 is equal to 3 by 6. So the three rational numbers between these both are minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, 1 by 6. So children, do this question 3 and this question 4 in your homework. So hello children, let's start with this review exercise. Question number 1. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. So here first you have to understand what is the meaning of additive inverse. So see children, here suppose we take the fraction minus 2 by 3 in the box is equal to 0. Additive inverse means what you will add, so you will get 0. Okay, I repeat, additive inverse means what you will keep in the box, you will get the 0. Suppose here we take the example minus 2 by 3 plus. So here what you will keep, then you will get the answer 0. Yes, 2 by 3. Minus 2 plus 2 upon 3 is 0, so you got 0. So additive inverse means what you will add, so you will get 0. So let's start with this question. First question is minus 6 upon minus 5. So minus 6 upon minus 5 plus box is equal to 0. So this both minus sign is there, so obviously it is plus. So 6 by 5 plus in the box is equal to 0. So here in this box what you will get, then you will get the answer 0. Minus 6 by 5. So 6 minus 6 upon 5 is equal to 0. What to got? 0 by 5 is equal to 0. So here minus 6 by 5, the additive inverse of 6 by 5. Okay. So let's do this second question, minus 2 by 7. So minus 2 by 7 plus in the box is equal to 0. So in this box what you will get, then you will get the answer 0, or what you will add? 2 by 7. If you will add this minus 2 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 0, then you will get the answer 0, which implies that 2 by 7 is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 7. Now third question, minus 5 by 11. Minus 5 by 11 plus in the box is equal to 0. So in this box what you will get, then what you will add or what you will get, then you will get the answer 0. 5 by 11. If you will do minus 5 plus 5 upon 11, so you will get the answer 0. So which implies that 5 by 11 is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 11. So let's start with question number 2. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So children, you have done these questions in exercise 1.4. Okay, so let's again do it. The first question is minus 17. So here, as I have taught you, multiplicative inverse means in the box what you will get, then you will get the answer 1. Okay, so in this also you have to do the same thing. Minus 17 into box is equal to 1. In additive inverse you have add, but in multiplicative inverse you have to multiply, as you can see in the word multiplicative inverse. Okay, so now in the box what you will get, then you will get the answer 1. Minus 1 upon 17. 17 will cut, minus into minus is plus, so you got answer 1. So which implies that minus 1 by 17 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 17. Now question second, minus 12 upon 17. So in the box what you will get, then you will get the answer 1. Minus 17 upon 12. 17 cut, 12 cut, minus into minus is plus 1. So here you got plus 1. So which implies that minus 17 upon 12 is a multiplicative inverse of minus 12 by 17. Question number 3. Minus 3 by 8 into minus 5 by 2. So here first you have to multiply this both. So let's do it. Minus into minus plus 3 by 15. So children, here you can see 3 cannot cut with 5 by 2 or 8, and 5 cannot cut with this. So you have to just simply multiply this both and this both. So let's do it. Minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15 upon 8 2s are 16. So here into box is equal to 1. So here what you will get, then you will get the answer 1. Yes, 16 upon 15. So 16 by 15 is the multiplicative inverse of this. So let's start with question number 4. Write 3 rational numbers greater than minus 3. So here you can see here first you have to draw the number line. See here you can see you have to draw first number line. Here 0. Right hand side of 0 you have to write all the positive numbers, and left hand side of the 0 you have to write all negative numbers. So in this question you have to find the rational numbers which are greater than minus 3. As here sign is minus, so which numbers are smaller than minus 3, that will be greater, because as it is negative, it is not positive. If it would be positive, then greater than 3 means bigger number would be greater, but here sign is negative. So here if you will keep minus 4 minus 5, then your answer will be wrong, because it is lesser than minus 3. So you can write 3 rational numbers greater than minus 3. Minus 3 means minus 2, -1, 0, 1, 2, etc. You can write any 3 also. Okay, see. Now let's start with question number 5. Show that this whole is equal to this. So let's do it. Here you have to see whether this whole part is equal to this minus 11 by 13. So in these such questions you have to just check the LHS. Just LHS you have to do. Okay, so let's solve it. Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 minus is plus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So here sign is plus and here denominator is not equal. So you have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So here by what number you will multiply to get 15? Here with 5 and here with 3. So this 5 you have to multiply with minus 2 and this 3 you have to multiply with 4. So 5 2s are 10, minus n is there, so minus 10 plus 4 3s are 12 upon LCM is 15. So I'll write here 15 minus 1 by 2. So 12 minus 10 is 2 and LCM is 15 minus 1 by 2. So here you have to take the LCM of 15 and 2. The LCM of 15 and 2 is 30. So here by what number you will multiply to get 30? Here 2 and here 15. So this 2 you have to multiply with 2 and this 15 you have to multiply with 1. So let's do it. 2 2s are 4. Sign here is minus. So here minus will come and 15 into 1 is 15. So you got 4 minus 15 upon 13. So minus 15 plus 4 you will get minus 11. Yes, written number is 15 and the sign is minus. So you will get answer minus 11 upon 13. So here you can see, hence it is verified that minus 11 by 30 is equal to R.